I'm Raquel.
Hi, I'm Kyla.
And today we're going to teach you everything you need to know about
Motion.
Yay! So let's go. Today we're going to show you how fast you can get across walking from one point of the room to the other in meters per meter and how many seconds. We're going to talk about the terms and names of describing and measuring motion. So first of all, the most important one is what is motion, or like how can you tell when something is in motion, and it's usually by the distance from another object and if it's changing.
A reference point is a place or object used for comparison to determine if something is in motion. So like if an object is in motion, if it changes position relative to a reference point.
So in order to measure motion and other things, scientists use the International System of Units, and some SI units of length are meters, centimeters, millimeters, all of that, the same family.
So to calculate average speed, divide the total distance traveled by the total time. For example, suppose a cyclist travels 32 kilometers during the first 2 hours, then the cyclist travels 13 kilometers during the next hour. The average speed of the cyclist is total distance divided by the total time.
So the steepness of a line on a graph is called the slope, and the slope tells you how fast one variable changes in relation to the other variable in the graph. So the way you calculate the slope is by dividing rise by the run, and so its slope equals rise divided by run. That's it. And I freaking average. So today we're going to show you how fast you can get across walking from one point of the room to the other in meters per meter and how many seconds. Abby, come on! Oh, yeah! Okay, good enough. So now I'm going to show you some more real life examples, and the first one is like when you're tugging between one person and the other, like the force of, I guess, like will like vary between. Also when you're riding a roller coaster, like it'll go in like a certain speed and you can feel it. And when you're riding a bike, like the how fast you're going also depends on it. So a good way to calculate kilometers per second, I forgot to add.